Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Today we are making flourless banana bread. Healthy, delicious, and you are going to love it. Very easy recipe. So guys, stick with me, okay? If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. This is a good recipe, very lovely recipe. Just look at the banana bread. It's absolutely delicious, okay? So come along with me and let's do this. Let's get started. I'm using 3 really ripe bananas, okay? And I mash it really nicely. You can use any method to mash your bananas. Some people use fork. I just using my potato masher because I love doing this. All right, so mash it nicely, okay? If it's really ripe, it's much more sweeter, so there's no need to use a lot of sugar, okay? So yeah, so come along with me. And the next bit, I am going to add some eggs, okay? I'm using 4 medium eggs, but you can use 3 large eggs if you prefer. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box for you guys, so just check it out, okay? Yeah, so we mix it nicely. As you can see in the video, make sure that it's really mixed really well. And then I'm adding honey, okay, and then add some vanilla extract as well, okay? I use honey because I don't want to use sugar. It's all healthy, guys. So try honey, you will love it. The flour I am using is almond flour. I'm not using wheat flour, it's almond flour, very healthy. I add some salt and also baking soda to it, okay? And then you mix it really well. Also, I wanted to add some cinnamon as well. I love cinnamon, but if you don't like adding cinnamon, don't add it. So I add cinnamon to it and I mix it. So it's like mixing all the dry ingredients, okay? So I mix all that nicely and then I add the dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. So guys, follow along. Right, so I mix up. I'm adding some chopped walnut to it, yes, to give it more crunch and really lovely taste as well. You can omit it if you don't like it. Yes, it's all nicely done. I'm going to put that into my tin, okay? What I've done is I've really greased the tin and I've added I'll put some parchment paper in it as well so that it will come out quite easily, as you can see here. Yeah, it's all done. I'm going to put that, yeah, just add some almonds on top of it as well. Yeah, and I'm going to put that into the oven, okay, at 180 degrees until your toothpick come out really dry, okay? Mine took about 50 minutes, okay? Lovely. It's cooling down nicely. It's all done and it smells amazing, guys. It smells good and it tastes good and it's healthy. So guys, try this recipe and come and thank me later. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching. Try this recipe and you're going to love it. May God richly bless you. Bye.